Your tax software calculates depreciation the same way every time, but you ask AI to draft a memo, and it gives you different answers, even with identical prompts. Why? And more importantly, what does it mean for you to actually use these tools? Most software that you use right now, your tax preparation software, Excel, they all run on explicit rules. If a cell equals 0, just return blank. The logic is hard-coded. Same input, same output, every time. AI doesn't really work that way. It learns patterns from massive amounts of data. Patterns in languages, patterns in tax documents, patterns in how humans write and read. Those patterns are not programmed line by line. They are discovered through training. That's why the AI could draft a reasonably good memo without you actually teaching it what is a IRC Section 179, but also why it might confidently cite a case that doesn't even exist. Rules are precise, and patterns are probabilistic. The difference isn't academic. It really shows up in your day-to-day workflows. First, predictability shifts. An AI summarizing a tax court case might phrase it differently on each run. You're working with a range of outputs, not just one fixed result. Second, failure modes are different. Software breaks when logic breaks, a formula error, a null value. AI breaks where patterns fail. It hallucinates, overgeneralizes, or just completely misses the context. Your tax software doesn't invent deductions, and AI might, because it is pattern following, not rule-based. That's why explicit, non-hallucinating citations are so important, and that's what we do here at TaxGPT. Third, your role changes. With software, you learn the features and the buttons. With AI, you shape the behavior. With the prompt that you have, the context you give, or the feedback that you're providing, you're steering the pattern instead of being just one end user. Once you see the divide, pattern versus rules, AI stops feeling unpredictable. You know what to expect, what to watch for, and how to use it effectively. That key understanding is what separates accountants who struggle with AI from those who are really making it work for them.